I think energy practitioners are a great source of innovation, knowledge, particularly knowledge gained at a local level, and often are ones that are developing very innovative business models and technologies, and in many cases those are clean, renewable energy technologies and businesses. So I think there's a great opportunity to learn from them and bring that knowledge and experience up into some of the higher level political agenda and discourse.
We have developed this approach that involves first harnessing what's been done and documented, and then ground truthing what's missing in that collection of knowledge, and then bringing together the identified stakeholders to advance a certain issue that links directly to the longevity of projects, whether it's how projects are used or how they're built or what is the policy that made it happen.
And I think there's two mechanisms at play here. One is non-state actors can make real contributions to, for instance, the implementation of NDCs. But I think what is more important than that is non-state actors can demonstrate that governments are not doing enough and that they can do more and that ambition levels can be higher.
We think with going through networks to bringing people together and making them understand that that they have a clear role also and for achieving SDGs, and on the other hand understanding by the people that are supporting programs or bringing forward technologies that it's important to have these people on the ground.